Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, an active save and access to the pause menu. Open story mode, then press start to bring up the pause menu. Make sure you can reach settings. If you want cloud backups, sign into Rockstar Social Club now. This prevents losing progress. Once done, navigate directly to settings and prepare to change game settings. I'm guiding you straight through each control so you don't miss the autosave toggles. From settings, choose game and locate autosave. You want to toggle autosave on so the game saves after missions, arrests, or major events. This reduces repeat play. If you prefer control, set it to manual, then press save game when needed. Make sure to enable cloud save if prompted. This keeps a remote copy and helps with transfers between systems. Once set, exit settings and test by completing a short mission or safe house save to verify. Finish by triggering an autosave. Complete a mission or enter a safe house and watch for the save icon. This confirms success. If it doesn't happen, make sure you're signed into Rockstar Social Club and that cloud storage isn't full. Sign out and back in if needed. If problems persist, perform a manual save, then reload the game to ensure your progress is stored. Remember, enabling cloud saves and keeping at least one local slot free prevents most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.